They say nothing lasts forever, but these car engines that will last forever might just prove that wrong. Some have racked up over 1 million miles. That's like driving from Chicago to Denver and back every month for 40 years straight. Today, we're counting down the longest-lasting car engines that have defied the odds. Whether you're a gearhead or someone who cringes at car repairs, these engines will make you rethink reliability. And if you stick around until the end, I'll reveal one big mistake almost everyone makes with a brand new car. So grab a snack and let's jump into the most reliable engines ever made. Starting off at number 11, we have the Nissan SR20DE, a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. It features a closed-deck aluminum block with steel sleeves, which keeps it lightweight, but still durable enough to handle high RPMs. The engine powers models like the Nissan Silvia and the 180SX. The timing chain setup reduces the need for frequent valve adjustments. The forged crankshaft helps the engine withstand modifications without sacrificing reliability. The SR20DE's compact build also makes it a popular choice for engine swaps, fitting easily into many older Japanese models. Its dual overhead cam design allows for precise valve timing, which contributes to its smooth power delivery and overall longevity. Coming in at number 10 is the Ford 4.9-liter inline-6, affectionately known as the 300 inline-6, and one of the longest-lasting engines ever built. This engine is the backbone of Ford's toughest trucks and vans from the 1960s through the 1990s. It's known for its low-end torques and reliability that just won't quit. That's why it's considered the longest-running engine of its kind, and a favorite among farmers, tradesmen, and truck enthusiasts. The 4.9-liter engine lasts over 300,000 miles with basic maintenance and just keeps going. At number 9, we have the Honda K20, known for being one of the longest-lasting car engines. This 2.0-liter inline-4 engine has become a staple in performance cars like the legendary Honda Civic Type R. What makes the K20 one of the most reliable engines of all time is its ability to scream at high revs while staying rock solid. That's why it's loved by tuners and everyday drivers alike. Whether you're pushing it to the limits on the track or just cruising around town, the K20 delivers impressive performance and lasting reliability. These engines can easily pass 200,000 miles with routine care, often without breaking a sweat. This is proof of Honda's dedication to excellence. At number 8 is the Toyota 22RRE, a 2.4-liter inline-4 with a strong cult following. It is one of the most reliable engines of all time. What sets it apart? Its timing chain design, which is way more reliable than belt-driven systems. Plus, it's got a unique combustion chamber that boosts power and efficiency. The 22RRE's simple fuel injection system means it performs well, even in the toughest conditions. With a cast-iron block and aluminum head, this engine is built to last. At number 7 is the Toyota 1 GRFE/2 GRFE, one of Toyota's most trusted and longest-running V6 engines. Launched in 2002, this 4.0-liter V6 has left its mark in vehicles like the Toyota FJ Cruiser, Tacoma, 4Runner, and Land Cruiser Prado. Known for its rugged durability, it's a top choice for off-roaders and anyone needing reliable power in tough conditions. What makes it stand out? It uses Toyota's dual VVT-i technology, which optimizes performance and fuel efficiency. With proper care, it's one of the longest-lasting car engines out there, often surpassing 300,000 miles. In 2005, the 2 GRFE variant came along, offering more power and efficiency. Built like tanks, these engines are made to last, which is why Toyota drivers keep coming back. Before we get to the next engine, hit that subscribe button. It's faster than doing an oil change and will keep you up to date with more content just like this. I'll give you a second. All set? Great, let's keep going. At number 6 is the Chevrolet Small Block V8, one of the best car engines synonymous with American muscle. The Chevrolet V8, especially the iconic 350 cubic inch version, has been powering everything from muscle cars to tough trucks since 1955. It's not just about performance, it's a symbol of nostalgia and cherished memories. What makes it one of the most reliable engines of all time? Its forged crankshaft and closed-deck block add strength and reduce wear. The compact size makes it easy to fit into different vehicles. Released in 1955, it became a favorite for engine swaps because of its compatibility and wide availability of parts. At number 5 is the BMW M30, an iconic inline-six and one of the most reliable engines ever made. Produced from 1968 to 1994, this engine powered some of BMW's most loved models, like the 5 Series and 7 Series. Known for its smooth performance and incredible durability, the M30 is one of the longest-lasting engines out there, often reaching over 300,000 miles with proper care. BMW enthusiasts still praise it as a symbol of engineering excellence. It's a timeless engine that laid the foundation for the driving experiences BMW is known for today. At number 4 is the Toyota 2JZ GTE, known for its turbocharged power and as one of the longest-lasting car engines of all time. Revered in automotive circles, this 3.0-liter inline-six powerhouse made the Toyota Supra a legend. Engineered to endure extreme levels of boost and aggressive modifications, the 2JZ GTE is a beast under the hood. Its bulletproof bottom end is famous for withstanding over 1,000 horsepower with stock internals, a feat few engines can claim. But even without modifications, the 2JZ GTE is a marvel of durability, easily clocking over 300,000 miles with minimal fuss. It's built to dominate, earning its place as one of the toughest engines ever crafted. At number 3 is the Mercedes-Benz M617, known as one of the longest-lasting car engines. Many people tell stories of diesel-powered Mercedes taxis going over 600,000 miles without needing big repairs. Built from 1974 to 1991, this 3.0-liter 5-cylinder diesel engine had a strong design. It had a cast-iron block and head, plus a chain-driven camshaft. This tough build made the OM617 almost impossible to break, helping Mercedes-Benz become known for making durable cars, especially in the US in the 1980s. The engine also performed well for its time. It started with 79 horsepower in its basic form and later became a turbo diesel with 187 horsepower. This version was used in the Mercedes C1112D concept car, which set 16 world land speed records. The OM617's mix of power and reliability makes it a big part of Mercedes-Benz's history and an important engine in the diesel world. At number 2, we've got the Volvo B230, part of the legendary Red Block series. What makes it one of the longest-lasting engines? It's the solid design, featuring a cast-iron block and a cross-flow aluminum head built to handle serious mileage. It also has a belt-driven single overhead cam and sodium-filled valves to reduce heat and wear. Introduced in 1985, it came with shorter pistons, smaller main bearings, and a forged crankshaft. These updates created a low-friction engine that could easily hit 500,000 miles or more. Simple, reliable, and easy to maintain, this engine is a true workhorse that just keeps going. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. At number 1, we have the legendary Chrysler Slant 6, specifically the 225 cubic inch version. What makes it truly stand out is its unique 30-degree slant design, which lowers the car's center of gravity and improves engine cooling. This setup helps with airflow, making it more efficient and reliable. The engine started with an aluminum block, but soon switched to a tougher cast iron build, along with a forged steel crankshaft and oversized bearings. This made it nearly unbreakable, even under tough conditions. Known as the Leaning Tower of Power, it became famous for reaching over 500,000 miles without major repairs. Whether powering trucks, boats, or even race cars, the Slant 6 proved to be incredibly versatile and dependable. It's no wonder it's still considered one of the longest-lasting engines in history. But before we wrap up, let me share one crucial mistake many car owners make with brand new cars: waiting too long for the first oil change. Most manufacturers suggest changing the oil at 10,000 miles, but that could be too late. During the break-in period, the engine generates more wear particles that aren't fully captured by the oil filter. This can cause premature wear and tear if not addressed early. So, changing the oil at the 500-mile mark instead of waiting can remove these contaminants and ensure your engine stays healthy and reliable. For more tips like this, check out 11 car maintenance tips mechanics don't want you to know. I've linked it above. You've just learned the 11 car engines that will last forever. What's the most reliable engine you've ever had? Got a car that just wouldn't give up, even when it should have? Share your story in the comments.